Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you two simple methods how you can swaddle your baby. So first off, I will talk about the cloth here. What I have is a rectangular cloth. So the shorter edge here is about 90 cm, 0.9 meters, which relates to about 35 inches. And then the longer edge here, I have about 1.1 meters, so it's about 43 inches. So I'll put my cloth in this way and take note that I'll be keeping the longer edge on this side, on my left side, and then the shorter edge on my right side. Later I'll explain to you why do I do this. Then next, what you want to do is with this pointed edge here, you will fold down the cloth. So how much to fold down really depends on your baby. So if your baby is taller and then you need more cloth, then you have a smaller triangle. But if your baby is not so tall, then you keep it longer, so you have not too much cloth to fold later on. So now I'll bring my star into the video. So here we have Little May. Little May will be helping me with showing you how to swaddle a baby. Okay? So what I like to do here is keep my baby with the shoulders aligned with the cloth. So the first step, I'll start with the shorter edge here. I'll do a slight V, a slight slant here. And do take note that I'm securing the cloth here with my other hand. So while I'm keeping this secure here, I'll move this shorter edge, bring it over. So I form of sort of like a straight line. Then I'll put the cloth under the baby. So by putting this extra cloth under the baby's weight will keep this part of the cloth tight. Next, I'll move on to the legs, the bottom part. So what I like to do is to keep a palm's length from the baby's feet, so that there's some room for the baby to kick. Okay? But if your baby is a few days old, you might want to keep it tighter, so just like so the baby will feel secure. But for Little May, she's about 2 months old, so I like to give her some room to kick. So what I'll do here, I'll put one palm's length, I'll move this cloth up, I'll put it under her arm. So using her arm to secure. Then now with the last part, this other side, I'll do this V, I'll complete the V. So what I'll do here, I'll secure it as well, same thing. While having this secured, I'll move the long edge over. So what I like to do is to sort of keep, there's some extra cloth here, and then bring the cloth under. Why do I do this? So if there's some space here, I can secure this extra part of the cloth. And if you notice from the start, I leave this long edge here because I'll be finishing off with this side on my left. So now this extra cloth, I can put it in here. And then this is a secure swaddle. Okay, so this is the first method. Okay, now for this second method, same thing. I'll align the baby's shoulder with the cloth. This part you do not have to matter which side is the longer side. Okay, so I'll start with this side the same. Same thing, secure over here, bring the cloth over. Put under the baby, let the baby's weight secure this part of the cloth. Then now, we are going to move to the other side of the cloth. So this might be a easier finishing for some. So this way, do complete the V, secure this part as well, takes this extra cloth, go underneath the baby. Oh, she's so happy. Same thing, you can put it here. And then the last part will be the legs. So this is a different method to secure. So same thing, I'll give some space, twist it a little, and then I'll move the cloth, I'll put it within. So this is just ending with it at the bottom. So here you have another nice swaddle. Okay, now for bonus, this is a not so simple method, but this will give your baby a hoodie for the swaddle. So what I'll do here, I'll give about a palm, so it may be different for you depending on your palm. So just a rough estimate. So same thing here, I'll have the short edge here and the long edge here. So I'll be finishing off on the left. So first, what I'll do, I'll bring this cloth down. Okay, so here, we'll start off from the left. So I'll bring the cloth here. And then same thing, bring it over, secure here. Take this part of the cloth, go over, bring it under the baby. So this will be secure. Then next, same things with the leg. One palm, move it here. You can put it under the baby's arm or under the baby. This is the same. So now, the left side, finishing. Same thing, you'll secure it here before you bring this side of the cloth over. So same method as well. You want to leave some cloth here so you can secure the baby later. So pull straighten. Bring it under the baby. Okay, so now with this extra cloth, I'll secure it. So now, see, here the legs have some room to kick. So you have a baby with a little hoodie. If you have found this video useful, could you kindly help me like this video so that YouTube push this out to more viewers who are trying to learn how to swaddle their baby.